Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. Don't keep your cash in the bank. 6 assets that are better safer than cash. We all know that cash is king, but is it really the best option for long-term financial security? Let's find out. Before we dive into the alternatives, let's quickly understand why cash might not be the safest option. Inflation can erode the value of your money over time, and with interest rates at historic lows, your cash might not be working as hard as it could be. So, let's explore some better and safer alternatives. Our first alternative is real estate. Investing in real estate can provide a steady income stream through rental properties or even potential capital appreciation. Plus, it's a tangible asset that you can touch and see. However, it's essential to do thorough research and consider factors like location, market trends, and potential risks before diving in. Another option is investing in stocks and bonds. These financial instruments offer the potential for higher returns compared to traditional savings accounts. Stocks represent ownership in a company, while bonds are a form of debt. Diversifying your portfolio with a mix of stocks and bonds can help manage risk and maximize potential gains. Precious metals, such as gold and silver, have been considered storehouses of value for centuries. They can act as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainties. Investing in these metals can provide a tangible asset that holds its value over time. However, it's crucial to understand the market dynamics and seek expert advice before investing. Cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, have gained significant popularity in recent years. These digital assets offer decentralization and potential high returns. However, they come with higher risks and volatility. If you choose to invest in cryptocurrencies, make sure to educate yourself, stay updated on market trends, and consider the associated risks. Peer-to-peer lending platforms have emerged as an alternative investment option. By lending money directly to individuals or small businesses, you can earn higher interest rates compared to traditional savings accounts. However, it's essential to assess the borrower's creditworthiness and diversify your investments across multiple loans to mitigate risks. Last but not least, investing in yourself through education and skill development can be an excellent long-term asset. By enhancing your knowledge and acquiring new skills, you increase your earning potential and open doors to new opportunities. Whether it's through formal education, online courses, or workshops, investing in yourself can yield lifelong returns. So, there you have it, 6 assets that are better and safer than keeping your cash in the bank. Remember, each option comes with its own set of risks and rewards, so it's crucial to do your due diligence and seek professional advice before making any investment decisions. That's all for today's social media content. We hope you found this information helpful and thought-provoking. Let us know in the comments which alternative asset you find the most intriguing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Until next time, take care and invest wisely.